everyone, and welcome to today's video. My name is Kenzie. If you did not know that, now you know. And you guys, today we're going to be playing with loads of brand new makeup that I got from Sephora. I just got a few things that I thought were pretty nice, so we're going to go ahead and try those out. I've got the Fenty Beauty Pro Filtr Soft Matte Powder Foundation here. I've got a couple of things from a brand called Merit. I also have a new mascara from a brand called Saie. I don't know how you say it, but we are going to try it. And if you're new to this channel, then hello, I'm so happy to have you. Don't forget you and click the subscribe button to become part of this weird, awesome, amazing family. And I have my Instagram linked right up here and in the description if you want to check me out and give me a follow over on Instagram. I would really appreciate it. We're doing a lot of fun videos and reels and posts and stuff over there. So if you do follow me, thank you so much in advance. But let's get into this makeup. Do not mind my hair. I washed it yesterday and I have done nothing to it yet today because I have a hair appointment later on today and I don't want to do anything to it. So it kind of looks bad. Okay. So I don't have a new primer or anything to test out, but this says matte foundation, so I may need to use a hydrating primer. I'm also going to use a tiny little bit of this 4-3 Beauty Glisten Up Mist. I really like this stuff. I'm almost out. Actually, I need to get another one. And then for my primer, I think I'm gonna do just my normal Smashbox Primerizer just because it works really well and I like it a lot. But as for my hair appointment, I am getting my extensions put back in. I'm so excited. I'm not getting like any kind of cut or color or anything like that, but I am getting my extensions put back in. They're tape-ins. And I'm so excited because I had them all last year. Well, not all last year, but I had them for quite a long time last year. I had them since July up until like July 2020 to like January 2021. So like I had them for like 6 months. Of course I got them like put back in and like moved up and stuff, but I had them for quite some time. And I really like them. I have enjoyed my time not having them as well because I've been able to use like the little ponytails, like the insert name here ponytails. They're very cute, love them, but I don't know, I want my long hair back and I want my thick hair. I love it, I really want it. Okay, let's get into this. We're gonna try out this new Fenty Beauty Pro Filtr Soft Matte Foundation. It's a pressed powder foundation. I know a lot of people on YouTube or online use a like kabuki brush. I don't really have one of those, so I might have to use the sponge. But here is what it looks like. It just says Fenty Beauty, but I do quite like the packaging. I think it's really pretty. And then I got mine in the shade 200, and it says it's for like medium skin, but I have a little bit of a tan going on right now, and this does not look medium at all. This looks pretty light, I feel like. I don't know. But I'm gonna try using this brush. I used to do bronzer with this brush, but this is the closest thing to a kabuki that I have. So I'll just try this for now and we'll see, and then if it doesn't work I'll just use the sponge because it comes with like a little doodad right there, a little sponge. But like I never use powder foundation, so I honestly do not know what to even expect when it comes to this. And I don't even think I'm doing it right. I think I'm getting a tiny little bit of coverage, but you can't even tell. That's not the right brush. So let me just try using this. I will say, it does not look like foundation in the slightest. It's like, where's the pigment? Like I can tell that it's on my face, but it doesn't even look like foundation. Like you can still see my pores like 100% through the foundation. There's like, is there not supposed to be a lot of coverage in this? I keep seeing people talk about it and they're saying that it's like a medium coverage or something, but I don't see any coverage. Like you can still see all of my pores. You can still see like all of my redness. It's like a tiny bit more smoothed out, but like this doesn't look like foundation to me. This looks like This like reminds me of like a tinted moisturizer or something, but it's really dry. Like a tinted moisturizer that's really drying. And I don't really think I like this. Like, please let me know if I'm just like applying this wrong, because I've seen people do it both ways. I've seen people do it with a brush, and then I have seen people do it with this little sponge. I feel like it should have much more coverage than that. My skin just feels dry. It's like I just put, I mean, of course it's a powder foundation. I was gonna say, I feel like I just put 3 layers of powder on my face, but it is a powder foundation, so like, I don't think I like it. And now I really need to like hydrate my skin. Okay, well, that was a little bit of a fail, but you know, we're just gonna keep going. Not everything. I love Fenty Beauty, and I love Rihanna as well. There's loads of stuff that I have from her that I love, like this, like the cream bronzer and everything. I think it's fantastic. The cream blush is amazing. I love all of those. I just don't think this was it for me. I don't think this. I don't even think I fall into the right category of people that would really use this. Yeah, it's not my favorite thing, but it's okay because we're gonna try out some other things. I am gonna quickly go ahead and do my bronzer. No, I'm not. I'm gonna do concealer first. And I'm just using my normal Shape Tape concealer because I don't have a new concealer. And you know, normally I would set my under eyes with some powder, but like I don't want to use any more powder now. I mean, well, you know what? Maybe what I'll do, since I'm kind of like, since my face has already been powdered so much, what I can do is do the rest of my stuff in cream. So I'll take the Fenty Beauty cream bronzer. This is in the shade Butta Biscuit. And I'll see if I can hydrate my skin a little bit with this and make me look a little more dewy, because right now I feel like the Sandman. So now I'm gonna go into this Merit, ooh, actually, before I do that, I'm gonna go into this Merit Tinted Lip Oil. Here is what it looks like. It is a really, really cute tinted lip oil, and this one is in the shade Marrakech. I am going to put this on. She's got a lot of pigment. It's not just like a tiny little bit of pigment in a lip oil. No, this is like a lip color. Well, that's really pretty. That's like really pretty. I like that a lot. That's nice. The formula is, it's okay. It is very slippy. This is not meant to be a lip gloss. It's meant to be a lip oil, so it is a bit thinner, the formula, but it's still pretty good. It's nice. And then for the blush, here is what the blush looks like. It is a cream blush, and it looks like this. It is in the shade Cheeky. Can you see that? Yes, it's the shade Cheeky. And we are going to try this out today. Should I rub it on my hand and then pick it up with the brush, or I don't know. It's a really pretty color though. It's a nice pink color. I'm still trying to figure out if I need to just like put it on the back of my hand and pick it up with the brush, or if I just pick it up directly from this. I reckon you could do either one. But this is a really, really pretty cheek color, and it's blending really nicely. It looks very dewy. That's really, really nice. I like that quite a lot actually. I think the formula is really good, and again, it's blending really well. It looks nice. Yeah, I'm super into that. I really like that a lot. All right, so next, the last thing I have here to try is mascara. So I think I'll just quickly just do like a nice wash of color on the lids. I'm gonna use the Glow by Auric Smoke Reflect in the shade Defiance, and I'm just gonna put that all over my lids. I'm not even gonna really prime my eyes or anything. I'm just going to put this on. So I think I put a little too much, but it still is fine. It still works. All right, and then I'm gonna take a little bit. I feel like I didn't need to do that, but I mean, it's done now. But I feel like I didn't really need to do that. And I'm just gonna take some of this and put it on top. I really hate my eyes. Like, I really hate them. Like, I don't know why I did that. Like, it looks ridiculous. I think I'm gonna try to take this off. Okay, so that looks better. I don't know why I did that. I am gonna do a tiny little something to my eyes though. All I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna take this Pat McGrath quad here and I'm gonna go into this shade right up top here. This is the Blitz Astral quad in the Ritualistic Rose. So I'm just gonna take a little bit of this and just put this directly on my lids just to give a little bit of like sparkle and stuff, but I'm not gonna worry about like actual like pigment shadow and stuff today. Okay, so there's that. That looks cute. I like having that little bit of like shimmer on my eyes. I think it's pretty. So next, what we're gonna do now is I already did my eyebrows, so we're just gonna go ahead and try out this mascara. I don't know what to expect. Here is what the packaging looks like. It's very sleek, minimal packaging. It looks really pretty, and I got lipstick on my teeth, and then it's got a teeny tiny little brush, little bitty little brush. So let's see, and it's got kind of like the little spiky bits at the end, so you can get all of your lashes. Okay, so first impressions, it's okay. It's extremely messy. If you can see that, like I got it all over my lids just because it's so messy. It's a very wet mascara, and like if you touch it even barely to your lids, you're gonna get mascara all over them. So that's not very good for anyone, but the formula is fine. Of course, it is definitely not as good as my Marc Jacobs. Like, this wand has multiple different like lengths to it. So here's this side that's like super short, and then this side over here that's a little longer. So I'm trying to use the short side, and I do like that, and then I come it back down, and then I hit my eyelids with the long side. I know that I feel kind of like negative today. I don't know why. I just, that Fenty foundation kind of just put me in a weird mood, and then I tried to use this right here, and this right here is great. I love this stuff, but I put on way too much and I couldn't blend it properly and it looked weird, so I had to take it off and fix that. But now this mascara is just getting my eyelids really dirty, and I'm just like, okay, well, can I find something that works? I'm gonna take back a little bit of what I said about this mascara. The formula is actually pretty great. I do still prefer my Marc Jacobs, but the formula on this is really good. Like, it's a pretty good formula. I feel like my lashes are not as long as they normally are, like with the Marc Jacobs, but I do think this is a good mascara formula. If you are interested in trying this out, it's pretty good. It is pretty good. I do like it. I think that it is worth it. I think it's like one of those clean at Sephora brands. Correct me if I'm wrong. I'm not 100% sure, but I think it is. But yeah, it's fine. I don't hate it by any means. I think it's okay. But that's pretty much it, you guys. I think I'm done. Yeah, I'm so sorry that today's video was it was just weird. It was just weird all over the place, and I apologize about that. I'm normally not this discombobulated, if you know what I mean, like if you get it. Anyways, this foundation right here, this is not my perfect foundation. It's not for me. I feel like a lot of people do love the foundation though, and if you are one of those people that do really like it, then I just say keep on using it, you know, because what doesn't work for me may be perfect for you, and what doesn't work for you may be perfect for me, you know, so we're all different. I feel like I did it wrong for some reason. I don't know. I tried to use a brush and I don't think that worked, and then I tried to use the actual sponge, and I don't know, either I didn't do it right or I just don't care for the finish that much. So this one's not my favorite from Fenty Beauty. I love Fenty Beauty, but this isn't my favorite thing. The blush, however, from Merit, I loved this blush. I thought this blush was beautiful. I thought it was really, really nice, along with the lip oil from Merit as well. I really, really loved these two. I'm just leaving this lip oil on as my lip color today, and I think it's really nice. It feels great on. The blush is really pretty. It feels good on the skin. It went on really, really well, and it has a lot of pigment, but it's not hard to blend. So definitely a yes for me when it comes to these two Merit products. I haven't used anything else from this brand, but these two things I like quite a lot. So, and then this mascara right here from Saie, I don't know how you say it, but this is not my favorite mascara. I think it's pretty good. I do like it, but it got my eyelids so dirty. I feel like it's not super user friendly, especially if you're used to doing your mascara a certain way. So the formula is pretty decent. I like the formula on it, but the brush I don't like. But if you can get past the brush, maybe it's just me, it probably is. But if you want to try this mascara and if you find the brush super easy to use, like the wand, then by all means go for it, because I think the formula itself is really pretty. I think it darkens your lashes. I think it lengthens your lashes as well. But the brush is just not... it's not for me. But yeah, that's gonna be the video. I really hope that you did enjoy it. If you did, then go ahead and click up the like button for me and then subscribe if you want to. If you want to see the videos that I posted when I post them, click the little bell down at the bottom there and make sure you set it to all so that YouTube knows that you want to see my videos. Again, my name is Kenzie. I hope you have a great rest of your day, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye!